Everybody. So, yeah, the we are now today. I'm going to create a new component, and the purpose of that component is so when I'm in my mesh and I say edit, and then if I convert it to a text down here, probably right below the text itself, I'll have a list of fonts that you can select. Let's see. Let's just so that is a little bit more readable. So, anyways, I have my way that I've never seen anyone else do, and some people have a serious problem with it for some odd reason. But I like to create a command inside my package. And so this thing's going to be called font list. So I'm going to make a font list. So I'm going to make a very, very like specific component. So this no purpose. This does not have a purpose of being reused. I could make a more generic component that is just a list in general. Why would I do that? I mean, we already have select boxes and stuff like that from material. There's no reason for me to do that. But this is going to be specifically to show the font lists. And as far as I know, as far as I can think of, there'll be only one place where that is ever displayed. So basically ng is the command, the general command, and then g is a flag or a argument that tells it to generate something, and c is what tells it to generate a component. And I believe it would have, by nature, its nature would generate it inside of the app directory, but I want it to generate it inside of the toolbox, and then inside of Mesh Manager. I think that's as far down as I want to go. So I have a very similar thing for materials. That would be this guy right here. See, this is a specific materials component. I'm going to do the same thing for fonts. And because, like, if you were to look in the materials, and I haven't looked in this materials one in a long time, but if you were to look into it, the this basic material. Let me see. I don't even know what this is. This materials how this materials gets used. It looks like, oh, this is an info pop up. That's for this guy right here. Okay, so that's not even. So that's just the info pop up where you explain stuff. So, anyways, I want that in Mesh Manager, and then slash. I think I don't have to put that last slash, and then I want it to be called font list, and we'll just see how that works. A lot of times these I have to tweak these a little bit to get it to work right. Uh, oh, that's where that's running. So I'm going to say npm run, and then font dash list. Unknown command. ggc. Or maybe font list. Let's see. I guess I need to save it. Yep, there it is. So yeah, now we have this, and now in order to use it, what we need to do is come in here and grab this. Well, actually, the first thing we need to do is come in here because the I believe, let's see, how is this architected? Yeah, this is a standalone. So basically, I need to import the font list, and then font list component, and then I want to take this selector and I want to go into this template, and right at the beginning of the text geometry stuff, I want to add this form. Probably should move this after this height, although height I need to update every freaking time I work on this app font list. And let's just make sure that that works. And where are you? Yeah, font list works. There it is, right there. So basically, the next step would be to get the Angular material select, which I believe that's what that we have that down here for materials. Material type is a app color material type. That's definitely not a checkbox. Let's see. Choose material. Okay, let's just search for that. Control choose. Oh, I have one right here. And I'm guessing the material, yeah, it's the same. Okay, so I'm going to take this. I do not want to do it that way though. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to move that in here. See what we get. So it's not going to be happy with anything that we've done here. Mat select, mat hint, mat material. And so it's because I need to import these things like, let's see. It's kind of funny. So I want to import the mat label, for example. So let's come over here and let's go to find, and we'll just search on label. Input module, mat, maybe there's no way it comes with this select module, but it might be part of, it's got to be part of one of these other modules. So import that select module, and then we'll just bring that in like this. There's going to be more of them. I'll save that and let's go look over here. So yeah, label apparently came in with select. So we need mat icon too. And then let's see, add mesh. Turn this thing into a text. Oh, did I not save? Oh, yeah, we don't want this. And actually, I don't even, that's funny. Okay. Do I need that? Will I need that? I don't think I'll need this at all. So I can get rid of my mat icon module. Mat icon module is gone. Get rid of that guy there. edit. Text. Yeah, choose material. Okay, yeah, so that's good. So basically the drop down's working down there. I think it looks okay. Choose material. For some reason you can't, I don't know, it might be the angle of my monitor. So let's see, when we say choose shape, oh, I guess because one's already selected maybe. Let's see, let's choose a material and yeah, okay, so I would need one that's to be selected already. I guess to look, it doesn't quite look right, because up here, and it might be because there might be some styling issues because of the form filled. I don't know. I don't think I can do a map form filled without a form element. I'll try it real quick. I'll get rid of that. And I think this needs to go down here. And I don't know why the editor isn't showing an issue. But yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, and I guess I am setting the width probably in the styles for the parent. So yeah, so this is good progress. This would definitely be choose font, and then these fonts, these options would be driven off of like a for loop that will. It's kind of funny because I don't even have a form control. Let's see, will this work without a form control? Doesn't seem to mind. Let's see, let's go over here. Yeah, it didn't mind. Yeah, so I think that looks good. So I think what we can do is then basically use like an output. So basically drive this based on the data that we're publishing from the service, and then and create an effect, and then anytime the user changes this, output it, and then basically take an input of whatever the default um, drop down, or what the default value is, which I think will be that Helviker. But anyways, that's that. We're definitely making progress. I will definitely tomorrow. Probably the thing I'll focus on is getting the right drop downs to show up in here, and yeah, slowly but surely we should have our drop downs populated here pretty shortly. Happy coding, everybody. Bye. Well, let me fix this. Let me make this a little bit better. 0.1. Let's move it to the left. -3. And it's kind of crazy how if I put it -4. It's probably because it's like the angle for between that is there. So let's try 0.01. Let's see, what do we get? So then, and just to be funny, let's turn our code segments to 1. Hello world. So now I can say happy coding. Bye.